Today, Sarah and I are going to make a pesto with some sun-dried tomatoes. And then here, we soaked some almonds overnight. And here they are with the skin off. We're gonna toast these and then blend everything up and make a delicious pesto for our pasta. First of all, we're going to toast our almonds so that the natural oils will come out and the flavor will be so much better. Today we have decided to use the mangiafuoco gas. So we're gonna place this inside and we'll keep shaking it every so often so they just barely get toasted. But you know they're almost ready when you begin to see the oils coming on the surface of the almonds. I'm beginning to smell the nice aroma of the almond and I think they're ready. Now the almonds will go right here into the food processor. We could add some garlic to it, but since the sun-dried tomatoes already have garlic in them, we're just gonna put that in here. A little teeny bit of hot pepper flakes and these capers. We will also add some fresh basil leaves, about 10 or 15 of them there. And then we'll also add some fresh parsley. We're gonna put the top on and begin to pulsate. Let's add a bit of oil. And let's peek inside. Ooh, it's starting to look so good. Let me taste just a bit of it. It could stand a few more hot pepper flakes. And I believe we're gonna add a bit more parsley to it. And that will make it so good. We were inspired by Giulia Scarpaleggia when she made it herself on Instagram the other day. And we just decided, man, we gotta make this. Let's clean these edges up. You know what's so neat about Italian food? Every region of Italy has their own specialties, as well as every city sometimes in each region. So this is more of a southern Italian pesto, and we're going to very much enjoy it. So once it's about this consistency right here, we are ready. For this last step, we're gonna take these anchovies, and that can be optional. And we're going to put them in the oven until they completely melt. And to that, we will add some of these breadcrumbs. Now we're gonna put the anchovies in and they will actually just melt in there. The anchovies have melted. We're gonna add the breadcrumbs to it and toast the bread just a bit. And now as you can see, they're nicely toasted and they're ready to come in. Our pasta is ready and al dente. We're gonna put it right in there with our breadcrumbs and the anchovies. And to this now, we're going to add our pesto. And we're probably gonna have to add a bit of the cooking water as well. We're gonna stir all this up and boy, oh boy, this is gonna be good. And this is why you always reserve some of the cooking water that has some of the starch from the pasta in there. Let's do a little bit more. And we are ready to serve this incredible dish that is full of flavor and speaks of southern Italy. And here is a nice portion of this beautiful pasta ai pomodorini secchi. Let's top it off with a little bit of the sun-dried tomato, 1 leaf of parsley, and then a nice drizzle of olive oil. And here we have a dish that is fit for a king, and I'm gonna be the first one that gets to taste it. Buon appetito!